The 4 numbers Apple won't let you engrave on your iPad in China. That is interesting. You could have led with this story easily.
Yeah?
Oh, my God. Think about the title and thumbnail.
Oh.
The 4 numbers Apple, I need to know that. What are they? It would be the numbers in China. You're talking like a combination of numbers or 4 separate numbers?
Separate numbers.
What you mean separate? Like you just can't have this number, period? But not single digit. It's a combination of numbers.
Yeah,
this is what I'm trying to get to.
A combination. Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Well, let's find out.
How do they feel about 13? Oh, you need me to check. Okay, here we go. Apple does not offer a complete list of banned phrases by region, but analysis by the Citizen Lab found that the company filters 1,045 keywords in China compared to 542 in Hong Kong, 397 in Taiwan, 206 in Canada, 192 in Japan, and 170 in the United States. While no political phrases are filtered in the US, Canada, or Japan, nearly half of all blocked keywords in China and Hong Kong were political in nature. Ooh, 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 ooh. Controversial. Wow. Yeah, United States and Canada have no... Canada has a few more social blocked words than the US. 40, not even. Japan, Canada, and the United States are all very similar. And then you get over there to Asia and things ramp up according to this data here. Especially in the political department in mainland China. Then you get into 458 banned phrases. Keywords filtered in China include the word politics. Just the word politics.
No politics to be had there.
Resist, wave of democracy, and human rights.
Wave of democracy.
That's right, Will. Don't you dare be typing that.
It's very specific.
For AirTag engravings, which are limited to 4 characters, Chinese customers are not allowed to use the 4 numbers 8964, which refer to, the big boy protest in the square, the famous one, took place June 4th, 1989. Man, that is, you got to wonder how people feel about that.
What if it's your birthday? You know?
Wow.
Or like a special occasion that you want to have it engraved forever. It's unfortunate.
Well, you better not be in China if that's the case.
Yeah.
If you want to have that date on your thing, that's pretty wild. Yeah, and you have a similar set of phrases that are banned in Hong Kong. And look, this is a non-negotiation one. This is obvious to me, right? When you start talking about wanting to do business in China, that's part of the gig, man. That's why you do not see a lot of American companies there. Yeah. Like, let's just be honest about it. You just don't see it. You hear about Apple. Apple's over there in a big way. You hear about Tesla's over there in a big way. There's a lot of companies don't want to make these concessions, and they seem small. It's just a tiny little one. But and as you see, other countries as well have their own stuff. It's just different. Well, in the United States, Canada, Japan, it's only race. It's like racist stuff and social stuff mostly. That is interesting, dude. Oh, hang on a second. Oh, boy. The headline and lead image of the story have been changed to reflect the fact that Apple only offers engraving services for the iPad, AirPod. Okay, not the iPhone, as was previously. We also corrected the location of Toronto-based Citizen Lab, not to be confused with the Brussels-based Citizen Lab. So this is the Citizen Lab here in Toronto. Wow, Toronto running the numbers.
Yeah. Curious.
I want to know what people think about that in the comments, by the way. Does this bother you, or do you care? Let me know.